Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
This is a cat. Kate. This is a dog. Dog. This is a lion. Lion. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is a monkey. Monkey. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. This is a bird. Bird. This is a fish. Fish. This is a butterfly. Butterfly. This is a bee. Bee. This is an ant. Ant. This is a spider. Spider. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. This is a snail. Snail. This is a turtle. Turtle. This is a duck. Duck. This is a chicken. Chicken. This is a cow. Cow. This is a pig. Pig. This is a sheep. Sheep. This is a horse. Horse. This is a goat. Goat. This is an owl. Owl. This is a frog. Frog. This is a mouse. Mouse. This is a squirrel. Squirrel. This is a deer. Deer. This is a fox. Fox. This is a penguin. Penguin. This is a bear. Bear. This is a tiger. Tiger. This is a zebra. Zebra. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is a panda. Panda. This is a wolf. Wolf. This is a snake. Snake. This is a crocodile. Crocodile. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. This is a whale. Whale. This is a shark. Shark. This is an octopus. Octopus. This is a crab. Crab. This is a starfish. Starfish. This is a worm. Worm. This is a grasshopper. Grasshopper. This is a fly. Fly. This is a mosquito. Mosquito. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. This is a cricket. Cricket. This is a hippo. Hippo. This is a rhino. Rhino. This is a camel. Camel. This is a koala. Koala. This is a sloth. Sloth. This is a raccoon. Raccoon. This is a hedgehog. Hedgehog. This is a bat. Bat. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is an eagle. Eagle. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. This is a swan. Swan. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. This is a rooster. Rooster. This is a turkey. Turkey. This is a donkey. Donkey. This is a goose. Goose. This is a hamster. Hamster. This is a guinea pig. Guinea pig. This is a ferret. Ferret. This is a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. This is a gorilla. Gorilla. This is a leopard. Leopard. This is a cheetah. Cheetah. This is a polar bear. Polar bear. This is a seal. Seal. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish. This is a seahorse. Seahorse. This is a lobster. Lobster. This is a shrimp. Shrimp. This is a centipede. Centipede. This is a beetle. Beetle. This is a dragonfly. Dragonfly. This is a moth. Moth. This is a wasp. Wasp. This is a cockroach. Cockroach. This is a termite. Termite. This is a firefly. Firefly. This is a scorpion. Scorpion. This is a millipede. Millipede. This is a lizard. Lizard. This is a chameleon. Chameleon. This is an iguana. Iguana. This is a newt. Newt. This is a badger. Badger. This is an otter. Otter. This is a walrus. Walrus. This is an orangutan. Orangutan. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you.